All right, guys, real quick, we're going to run you around the new Brinkley G4100 toy hauler they came out with this year. This is the debut here at the Tampa show. Got it sitting on the Gen Y up here. We do have a Flex Power 5500i generator sitting, 3,000 watt inverter, all of your lithium, everything set up inside. There's your DC to DC charger with your 50 amp MPPT. Regular 30 pounders inside, all Rockford Fosgates, everything set up inside your front pass-through. Got a nice view of everything. There's a Shelley K.
Hi.
Awnings sitting on a triple axle. Frameless windows, triple awning on this one. Let's go inside and see what Shelley K's got going on. All right, Shelley K, give me the rundown. What do you think of the inside of this new one?
Well, I have to start with, we've been walking in and out of a lot of rigs and nothing has really been like worthy to bring you.
Right.
I really like this model. If I were to get a toy hauler, I might.
This might be
a toy
it.
hauler. Yeah, this is just really nice. Everything's just really, I mean, I love the counters. I love all the details of, you know, you got the cutting board over.
Well, what's nice, you open up the trash can.
can.
Open the trash can.
Yeah.
Then open your cutting board.
Oh yeah, that
And
was the
can you
point.
just drop it right into your trash?
That's the point of the hole.
Right.
That's why they do that. And then they still have like the standard, here's your silverware, but then also you have a knife drawer here.
Oh, that's pretty slick with the magnet.
You know, of course, all the drawers are in Brinkley style, all dovetail. Nice 4-burner stove. Huge oven.
Huge.
Huge, huge. It is dishwasher prep, which I am going to get a dishwasher, yes.
Right.
All these really nice drawers here.
Oh,
You got your...
classic Brinkley paper towel holder.
Mm-hmm.
I dig it.
And just look how nice those cabinets are. Just super nice. Check that out.
Nice spice rack. How's the pantry look?
Really nice. Oh, amazing. Of course, it's lit.
Nice backlit.
All of your shelves are adjustable. Huge fridge. All the space that you need. More storage above. You also have an additional utensil drawer over here.
Okay, I dig it.
So you can hide all kinds of forks and knives and spoons everywhere.
Right.
It's a nice little coffee bar or bourbon bar, you know, depending on what you like.
What you're looking for.
All the lighting is really nice. You got the all the like brass fittings and pull down for the sink there.
So let's check out the kitchen table over here.
Yes, I was waiting till we got some space over here. So you have this, first of all, look at this, the windows are just expansive. And you've probably seen all of these, how these blinds work. So you can go dark or light. Open the windows here.
Or they split apart and go none too.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
So trying to save on the heat. And I like that it's down here. So you can have this open to let all the light in, but then you have the privacy here.
Right.
You have a 4-position convertible dining table desk. You can see here the 4 different positions for it. It does come with 4 chairs.
Like a nice workspace.
Oh, and look, here, look at this. Look at the 2 stools.
Got a couple bar stools over here.
Too. So now you have, you know, lots of seating in here. You have the recliners, 2 sets of recliners. I don't think, yeah, these are 2 sets of recliners. Neither one of these convert to beds.
Right.
Again, lots of storage up ahead, above.
Up above.
You got 110 outlets, USB, USB-C chargers there. And I love just the details of adding these end tables.
Yeah, makes it super nice.
I hate not having a place to put your cup.
Right.
Yes. So,
you want to go up to the bedroom and bathroom first?
The bathroom, yeah. The bathroom
first stop
is, you know, plenty of room. It's nothing magnificent, but it's plenty of room. You got the car wash.
Sure.
Shower here. Of course, I'm short, but there's a lot of space here. You got plenty of room here.
How's your cabinetry over there?
Well, I'm going to tell you about that cabinet because it's the one thing I'm disappointed about. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Why are you disappointed about that?
It's hard to pull open.
Oh, but that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's tons of storage, and I'm glad that they made it so that you're not just having to stick your arm back there.
Right.
But I don't know if they need to, like, WD-40 it or what. Not easy.
Not easy.
So you do have all the
Regular
drawers
dresser,
and stuff here.
right?
Washer and dryer prep here, which is interesting because you will see when I take you out to the garage that there's washer and dryer prep there too. So you have choices.
Okay.
Right? You have underbed storage back there and then additional drawers there. I like that they have the mirrors on here, so I get my full-length mirror.
Yeah, but can you stand in front of the full-length mirror? Like, put the bed down.
Oh, that's probably a good point.
That was loud. But then can you stand in front of the full-length mirror and see
good enough
what you want to see?
Good enough, all the things I want to see. Yeah.
Okay.
I do have a question about this, but I can't answer it right now.
Okay. What's the question?
You have the rail here for your clothes, but I'm imagining that if you had a hanger...
I'll bet you that angle's set correctly for a shirt.
I don't know, maybe. Oh, look. Let there be light.
Let there be light.
So it is like a lot of space, though.
Yeah.
A lot of space back there.
And they kept the little shelves up above the windows.
Yes.
So at least you can have your phone, and they do have USB and USB-C outlets on both sides beside the lamps for your cellular devices.
You also have separate AC back here with its own thermostat, so that's nice.
Nice. Let's go check the garage.
Here's all of your controls here also. I even like this.
Separate door. Nice.
Glass door here. Come on out. So you have stairs here, right?
Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill up there.
No, not a Jack and Jill. Happy Jack.
Happy Jack bed. Yeah. I was like, that's not right. But then there's also a loft up here.
Okay, yeah. You got a little bedroom up there.
And a TV. I'm not sure how you're going to get your kids up there, but just, do a wig heave-ho.
No, I bet you there's a ladder up there somewhere.
Well, I'm sure there is. Again, here's the washer-dryer prep area. So if you want to use the bedroom space for closet, you could do your washer and dryer right here.
Gotcha.
So here's a fancy bathroom amenity. So you got your
toilet.
The little
half bath.
And then...
And then... Ta-da!
You've got your sink.
Nice.
And a medicine cabinet.
Okay.
So then, another thing that I really like about this toy hauler are these windows.
So they crank out
a lot of nice windows. Well, I mean, just the fact that they have all these windows.
Yep, and they're all frameless outside too.
And the door, so it's just really nice open, airy space.
And there's this little storage space right under your feet for all of your ratchet straps and tie downs and widgets.
I don't know what this is. Do you know what that is?
Let me see. That is I don't know. It says patent. I bet it's a vent. Yep. It's a vent to the outside for your exhausts and gasolines and stuff that are in here.
Oh, okay. I get that.
Yep.
And then look, you got this nice patio. There's speakers right here.
Got another awning up above.
There's
another
your backup camera.
Yeah.
Does this come with any, are these the safety?
Yeah, that swings open.
Latches. Does this come with any solar?
I don't know.
Well, let's go find out.
Let's go find out.
Okay, I've got some specs here for you on this Model G4100 that we just took a look at.
Give it to me.
It is, the UVW is 18,600. The GVWR is 22.5. Hitch weight 34.50. Exterior length 45.11.
Woo, that's a big girl.
Height 13.4. Width 101 inches. Garage length is 12'6". Garage door capacity 3,000. And the patio capacity is 1,500. Okay, fresh water capacity 150 gallons of fresh water. Gray water 156 gallons. Black water 85 gallons of stank.
Ooh.
That's a lot. Fuel station tank 60 gallons.
Okay.
And the MSRP
is
$219,735.
Okay.
With $18,000 of premium build options.
Let's see if there's a ladder on the other side and see what the solar setup might look like up there.
Okay.
All right, so over here on the passenger side, Shelley K did find out there is 800 watts of solar on the roof to go with that lithium and the 3,000 watt inverter. But over on the non-camp side, you have your fuel fill. It's got a built-in air compressor, which is super nice to keep those tires filled up for your toys. You have a power reel up here with your MORI pull-out drawer with your ladder in it. Nautilus system with all of your power tanks. And check out the inside wall is magnetic, so you can get to all of your widgets without taking stuff apart. And right inside is all of your filtration system, ready to go. Good job, Brinkley. Pretty nice rig.